Hi guys, it's Coach Sam here with Svelte Training, and today I'm going to share with you a 7-minute yoga cool down workout. Whew! So, first things first, I'm going to go through the poses with you real quick, and then we're going to get right into it together. Real simple, real easy. This one's mostly about balance. So, first pose is your mountain pose. You're going to stand arms length apart. You're going to take your hands to the center. You're going to hold it. You can go down. You can go up. Next, it's going to be your forward bend, staying in that same position, shoulders. You're going to grab each side of your elbow and just let your body hang forward. And you're going to hold this here for 30 seconds, sorry. Then, once you're done with that, we're going to go into Warrior 2, which is going into your position. Your front leg is going to be bent. Your back leg is going to be extended. You're going to hold your hands out, forward and backwards, just straight across. And you're going to keep it here. We're going to move over into the second position, second one, and you're going to do the same thing. Front, I have a friend in the bushes. Front, bent, back, straight, keeping it body into that position for the next one. Moving next, we're going to go into a triangle position. So we're still in the same kind of forward bent. This one is back straight. You're going to take your palm of your hand and keep it out, and you're just going to keep the other one straight up into the air, giving you that nice triangle pose. You can put your leg straight if you like. You can bend it as well. Then doing it to the other side, because we want to make everything equal. Then you're going to go into your reverse warrior, which you're going to stand forward. So your reverse warrior is going to be the same position of your lower body. The only difference is you're going to take your arms, instead of extending them out, you're going to just lift them to the air and going up and down into that motion. If you can reach further back, please do. If you can't, just hold that pose right there and switch sides. They secretly hate me. And holding it there. So then our last but not least is our tree pose. You're going to take either your right, or start on your right or your left, hold one leg straight, the other one is going to go inside the knee, holding this into a triangle pose out, hands up in the air, bend it a little bit, palm to palm. And you're going to hold that there for 15 seconds. We're going to switch legs, same thing, foot into the inside of your knee. Whoop, lost my balance there. One side's always better than the other. And keep those arms up. Pulling that up will definitely help that stability in that tree pose. All right, so this is 7 minutes. We're gonna do it together. Okay, so first pose is that mountain pose. Go into it for 30 seconds, holding arms length apart, shoulder width apart. Hand to hand in that mountain. If you want to move it forward, move it upside down or reverse mountain. Up here, you can bring it a little tighter. And you want to push your hands together so that you're feeling that tension, but you're also relaxing your body. We're holding this for 30 seconds. Deep breath in and out. In and out. And I am in a park, so you're going to hear wonderful sounds of nature and fun actions. All right, next one. Keeping that same stance, holding elbow to elbow, hanging forward for 30 seconds. And you're just going to keep your body, and you're just going to let it be limb. You can swing if you'd like. Get a little bit of that stretch. You can hold it here. If you can go all the way down and lower, feel free. I am not as flexible as that, but you want to make sure that your legs are straight. Holding it here, taking a deep breath. 30 seconds. And relaxing. And coming up, you don't want to go up too fast. Now we're going to go into our warrior pose. Remember, front knee is bent, back leg is out straight, arms are going straight across, holding that here for 15 seconds on each side. And you're just going to keep your face forward, stretch like you're pulling your arms out from each angle, lean into that front knee, holding it there for 5 more, 3, 2, 1, and switching over. You want to keep your back leg pointed this way, your toes pointed this way of your hand, leaning forward into that warrior 2 pose. Keep that chest up high. Relax. I feel like I'm squinting. I'm sorry if I am. And 3, 2, 1. All right. Now going into that triangle, keeping that same lower body pose, holding it out, palm to the sky, and reaching. And you want to reach up as high as you can. You can more than welcome look down, look face out, and holding it there for 5 more seconds. This is 15 on each side. 3, 2, 1. Switching sides so we get that nice stretch on both of them. I'm putting my hand up to the sky, and then my other one is touching my ankle. Holding it there. You can look up, see the planes. 3, 2, 1. Nicely done. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so now we're going into our reverse warrior, which is once again, keeping your body same bottom, push forward, extend that back leg, reach up, and then back. And as far as you want to push back, you'll feel it in your back and your hamstrings. Keeping this pose here for 15 seconds because we want to do it on each side. Reaching as far back as you can. 2, 1. Switching over. And up and back again. And as you can see, I can go further back on one side than I can on the other, and that's just because one side's a little bit tighter than the other, and that's okay. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, and 1, coming in. And last but not least, our tree pose. 15 seconds each leg. So we're gonna hold that in here, hands to the air, palm to palm, holding that in, holding that core, taking that deep breath. If you're a little bit wobbly, pull up your chest, sit back into it, and relax. 3, 2, 1, switching. And your body is naturally always going to be stronger and better at one side, so I'm gonna put my foot a little bit further down, and I'm gonna hold it here for 15 seconds. And 3, there I go. So I'm gonna hold it back again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wonderful job. I hope you feel the stretch just like I did. You got a little bit of a sweat going on. It's hot. The fall is coming. We're getting ready for everything. Feeling that body. Shake it out a little bit. You might be tight. You might have been tight in the beginning, and now you're nice and loose. So thank you so much for joining me with this yoga workout. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Like, subscribe, click below, and we'll see you later.